Hello everyone, today let's take a look on how we can find out the material that was applied using the paint tool. As you probably know, in the modify tab there is a paint tool in here which can apply a material to the face of any element. Here in this example I have applied 4 different materials to the faces of my walls, and as you can see, if I go into my type of the material to my compound structure, there is actually no material assigned to this wall. But in the 3D view, you can see that there is a material on the face of the wall. So if you try to find out what type of material is applied, you do not have actually any kind of information about this in the instance properties or in any properties of the wall. So the two ways how you can find out what kind of material is applied on this wall or painted on this wall, you can either use the material tag from the annotation tab. So if I want to use this, I need to log my 3D view. So I will just save it and log. And now if I try to use the material tag and if I hover around my painted material, you can see the name of the material. So this is one way how you can find out what kind of material was painted over some elements in your project. I will undo this. And then there is a second way how to do this, and that is using schedules and quantities. We go to new material takeoff and we go with our walls, and let's go to the material as paint and let's go with material name. The material as paint parameter is special type of parameter that is telling you if the material was applied with the paint tool or not. So if we just filter by this parameter, get it equals to yes, it will filter all of the parameters from the project that were created using the paint tool, which is here. So let's just do this, and now you can see that we have our schedule with all of the materials that were created using the paint tool, and we can see even the material name. The great thing about the schedule is that you can use it to select elements inside of your project. So let's say that I want to know my gypsum wall board that was used with the or created with the paint tool. You can see that it is selecting me the wall inside of the project. So this is great if you need to select many elements with materials that were painted inside of your project, or if you need to find out which elements have material applied with the paint tool, you can easily do this with the schedule globally.